Well, this is yet another view of the same Indus River. Earlier we had crossed a bridge, and from the right side of us it had gone on the left, but again after crossing a bridge, I do not know whether we really crossed the bridge or if the same stream. But if सुधीर जी, ये इंडस ही है या कोई दूसरी उसकी कंट्रीब्यूटरी आ रही है? क्योंकि एक इंडस को तो हमने राइट को छोड़ दिया था. ये इंडस है. अब ये another stream is coming from somewhere left, and see yet another stream is joining. Oh, this is called the Sangam. Perhaps these are the two rivers, Indus as well as the Jangsar. The another one the guide was mentioning to us, and I think it is that particular point called Sangam we have come to. And see, there's a small beautiful bridge there, and I do not know as to which one would be the Indus. And oh yes. Now I guess. See, this should be the Jangsar.
Left को जो आ रही है वो Jangsar.
Yeah. The one we were photographing there, and the river coming from that particular side, that should be the Indus, because now these two would go flow down, and they'll take a circle round this mountain, and then they'll be back down there again. दोबारा ये पूरा पहाड़ घूम करके ये नदियाँ दोनों जनी आएंगी. ये वाली नदी जांगसर आई है पीछे से शायद, और ये वाली जो पर्टिकुलर नदी आ रही है उधर से, वो इंडस होगी. और दोनों के रंग में भी, मतलब यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस इन द कलर्स ऑफ द वाटर. इंडस इज दिस जांगसर इज पर्टिकुलरली somewhat blackish in color, whereas that Indus, I suppose that is Indus, and that is greenish, dark green, right? And this road is taking you to what place? Oh, I do not know whether I have enough card memory or batteries to capture this all, but the scene is so beautiful, and see the mountain there. I'll take the bike also. Okay, are you photographing that? Yes, I am walking on the road just along this particular river, which is a contributory to Indus, and that is definitely Indus. There's some board written, and I think that will be informative, and we'll have more information as to what these two rivers are. But definitely this is not just one river, these are two different rivers. Oh yes, see the mountain. And this particular point, I believe, is called Sangam, as reported by that particular person, the one who was guiding us, and the one we have hired our motorcycle from. Yeah. Oh, lovely scene there. I do not know whether this camera would catch. But Sudhir ji, see those white mountains up, then those bronze color, and then this green sandy mountains. Yes. Lovely. I think I need to walk a bit more steps, a few more steps, and then this river would be more clear to us. Yes. And should I also capture somewhat this longish rock on my right? Well, this mountain has been cut to make a pass for this road. This road is between this particular mountain, and I have a river on the left. You can see the vehicles moving. And since this is a national highway, there are not many trucks. This road takes you to Srinagar. So these trucks are coming from Srinagar. Oh, I have walked a distance. I thought it would be only a few steps, but I have come, say, around 200 to 250 yards now. And this point is yet to be captured. The sun is somewhat hostile this time because I am photographing on my left and sun is right on top. But still, I think the picture would be properly clear. Yeah. There's some dwelling also, some government building, I believe. And I'm walking walking down. We are again downhill. We just saw the miracle at the magnetic hill where the vehicles were being pulled against the gravity. If you switch the engines of your vehicles off and disengage the gear, the vehicles are pulled up against the gravity. And see, that's Indus. That's Indus. The another one is yet to be known. The name is to be found out. Oh, Sudhir ji is also walking down. I thought he would be bringing the motorcycle. It's half a kilometer away now. I'll be walking all that distance. Oh, I'll be walking all that distance. But see this magnificent mountain. Magnificent mountain. How does it so happen? You know, very heavy rocks, very firm rocks they appear, but they're mounted on all the sand. It's quite sandy there.
Yeah.
It's quite sandy there. What surprises me is they appear to be very firm, very thick rocks. And what they're mounted on is this, very unfirm sand. Miracle.